To start with the registration process, head to our official website avishkar.formflix.in. As the home page loads, you will find a Register Now button. Click on it and the school registration form opens. Fill in the details like school's name, district, DISC code, principal's name, and contact number. Fill in an email ID and set a password. Enter the security code and then click on Submit button. Yes, submit it. After that, click on Login to continue. On the school login page, enter the registered email ID and the set password. Click on Login. The school profile will open. Click on Update JH-SIC School Coordinator Details. Here, you will type in the name, contact number, and email ID of the teacher coordinator. Click on the Submit button to continue. The school profile page will reload. Click on Create Team to enter the details of the first team like team name, theme, number of participants. Enter the details of the team leader and the details of the team member. As you enter the details of each team member, click on the Add button. After that, click on Submit button. You will be prompted to recheck the number of team members. Recheck the number of team members and then click on Submit again. On the school profile page again, you will see buttons to edit, delete or lock team. Click on Lock Team to confirm the team. Click on OK. You will be redirected to a page where you have to upload your idea presentation file. Click on Choose File and Upload Content. Your idea presentation will be uploaded. Click on OK and then click on Pay Participation Fee. You will be redirected to an SBI Collect page where you have to pay a nominal fee of 100 rupees per team to get registered for our event.